how to add images in Figma. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. For today's video, we will be talking about this platform called Figma. Now, how do we add images in Figma? We're first going to create a new design for us so that we could show you how we could add an image in your Figma design. Now over here, we currently have an empty draft. So what we're going to do to add a design is you're simply going to click the shapes button over here on the top left. By clicking this, you would have the options to add rectangles, lines, arrows, clips, polygons, star, and as you can see here, place image and video. You could both add an image or a video depending on what you would like. You're simply going to click this and you're simply going to choose a specific image that you would like to add to your Figma design. Now after selecting the specific design, as you can see, it is currently on my cursor. It is attached to my cursor, so wherever we click or drag to place, it will place the specific image. For example, I would like to put it in this section, and it will automatically put the image in this section as well. And then you could resize the image if it's too big for you, just like this, by dragging the corners, just like that. And it will automatically adjust the photo depending on the size that you would like to have it as. As you can see here, I could make it very thin and skinny, or I could make it very short, just like this, and it will automatically adjust the specific image that you have selected. And that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.